welcome back to my channel. My name is Florencia and you just saw me do a quick blow dry blowout with my Revlon hairbrush dryer. I have a video dedicated to that one blow dryer, so I guess if you're interested in that, go look back into it. So I ended up asking for a TYMO, I think that's how you say it. I didn't watch many reviews on it other than just one. I'll link it somewhere below so you can see, and it sold me. Like, I was like, oh, let me just try this. This is the next thing for me, you know. So this is what I'm talking about right here. It's kind of hot because I have it going. So let me show you. It's very weird. I've never seen anything like that because it's not a brush. It is a brush, but it has like a curved like edge for you where you will put your hair. Let me show you right now. You see that? So it's not bristles. It's just like, how would you call this? Go TYMO. And I'm pretty sure it has some settings here. I just pressed it once and it goes up to level 4. I guess there's 5 levels of heat. And it does have this like cord all around 360 cord. I guess it makes it so much easier for you to handle. It does get pretty hot, so when you put it down, I use the cover that it came with. It's kind of like velvety. I'm not sure that it's heat proof, but I remember having a straightener some time ago and it came with one of these and it was like heat resistant, so when you put it away it doesn't like burn. So I put it on top of this when it's resting. So anyway, I guess let me read some stuff about it. I didn't. My husband got this for me for Christmas. I asked for it, so I knew I was gonna get it. But it was for $38 at the time, but they do retail if you go to the TYMObeauty.com. That's the main site, I guess, but you can buy it in other, like the Amazon. I would just buy it from the site. And it does retail for $59.99, and it's called TYMO Ring. This is the website. I hope you guys can see it, but it says TYMO Ring is the new generation hair straightener. We've sold over 500,000 units in the US market. I never heard of this before, but I mean, this is the top selling straightening brush since 2019. You can save more time when straightening your hair. It can be transformed to straight when just brushing it. The anti-scald design allows you to reach more roots of your hair, which I will talk about that later. Comparing the traditional hair straightening irons, TYMO Ring provides you better results, shiny, healthy, silky hair with more volume. It does give you volume, you'll see. It has a US plug, so I guess it's just a US compatible outlet. It doesn't say, oh, it comes in pink. Okay. So it takes 60 seconds to heat up. It turns off by itself after 30 minutes in case you forget to turn it off. Has 5 temperature levels. I did tell you the highest is 410 Fahrenheit, and that's recommended for thick, curly, wavy hair. I don't know that I have it up that high. I keep it at, I guess, the one below, which will be 374, which is considered for normal to slightly curly hair. It says it weighs 1 pound. So it's pretty light. Yeah, this is very light. Anyways, I'm looking for more like cool features. But people love this stuff, especially women of color with their hair. That's the first review I saw. She had very curly hair. But yeah, all kinds of ethnicities. Anybody can use this, honestly. Like, this is really good. They have titanium ones, so they're like straightening irons. They have the brushes or the regular straightening iron. So yeah, take a look. It's pretty cool. I'm not trying to sound like an infomercial, so let me just go ahead and, you know, you could start this off with your curly hair, but I did blow dry because my hair was wet, so I was just running the brush through it. See how puffy my hair got already? Like, I thought I did a good job with it. Still a little damp, I guess. There's still some moisture. So I guess I would part my hair either way. I already used this once before, and I didn't part my hair, but I wasn't really trying too hard to make it look good, so I'm gonna try hard now. Alright, so I parted my hair. This is my This is my undercut that's good now. You guys don't mind this. Like, if you had an undercut, you know what I'm going through, okay? It's horrible. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab, okay, with brushes, the main thing is like, I guess the whole purpose is because you just want to brush your hair and straighten it at the same time. So that's why you would get a hairbrush iron, right? So if you just do that, like, it's not gonna grab any hair. Like, it's not grabbing anything. You have to like put the hair in here. So what you do is just grab your section, and it does do it very quickly. And what I do is I go from under. So I go like this, and hold on, everything's falling over here. Okay, one more time. I hope you guys can see. I wish I had a white background. So with the curvy things up, so facing it up like this, I'm gonna put it in. See? There we go. And then you bring it down, brush it through, and as I'm brushing it, I'm kind of like curving it like this. I don't know if you can see that smoke. Look, see? I know it's kind of annoying that my hair isn't super curly right now, or you know what I mean, but trust me. Okay, let me show you again. It didn't burn. I'm just exaggerating. Okay, put it in there, okay? It's going. And I'm putting force into it, so I'm like making it tight, if that makes any sense. Okay, last one. I like how it does that, but this is still kind of puffy, so it's not like a straightening iron that's gonna make it all flat. I guess you could grab some like this and go downwards like this. Ooh, I feel the heat on my scalp. Ah, okay, that burned, that burned. Yeah, do that. Yeah, that's better. Burn yourself. Down. Yeah, for the roots, I don't care about volume, y'all. I have too much hair for that. Like, I just want everything to be down. Okay, there we go. So I'm not brushing it like this. I'm grabbing my hair and sticking it in. I hope this makes sense, dude. Okay. Yeah, this is good. See, like that. Cute, right? Okay, I hope you can see. It's way lighter. This hair back here is a mess. Okay, let's do the next hair. So see, puffy and then straight. So now I'm kind of brushing, because once I go over it once, then I'm more comfortable. Look at that. That's cute. I'm not sure how many times you want to pass this over before you burn your hair, but my hair is so thick, like, how many times have I said that? I have a couple of hair videos on my channel. I only have like 30 videos up, so it's not, I'm recently now starting to get more consistent with uploads. So hopefully one day one of my videos will reach some people. But in the meantime, I'll just film whatever I want and have fun, because I like to edit and make videos. don't know about that, but you know. And for the baby hairs, I would just get out another flat iron for that. Like, don't risk it. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked my review. I hope you were able to see what I was doing in my hair. I know it's pretty dark in the back. I'm trying to see if I can get a backdrop. Let me know if that would look cool, you know, because I'm pretty sure it gets a little boring back there. Anyways, I really recommend this TYMO hairbrush straightener situation. It's cooling off right now, but yeah, there's barely any hairs that pull out, that, you know, that I pulled out of me, but it does get pretty hot, so make sure you don't put it somewhere where it's gonna, just kidding. You'll be fine. We all know how to use hot tools. Anyways, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope you leave me a comment, and I will see you next time. I hope I see you next time, okay? Hey, bye now. Have a good day. Okay? That's enough, right? That's enough. That's enough. So addictive.